Brought to you by Hackettstown High School.
Antibiotic resistance is one of the biggest threats to global health, food security, and development today. Antibiotic resistance leads to longer hospital stays, higher medical costs, and increased mortality. It occurs when traditional antibacterial drugs do not affect certain strains of bacteria. Many of these drugs target the bacterial ribosomes. Bacteria can protect themselves from antibiotics using an alternate target, usually an enzyme, that is resistant to inhibition by the antibiotic while continuing to produce the original sensitive target. This allows bacteria to survive the attack of antibiotics, with the alternate enzyme bypasses the effect of the antibiotic. Ribosomes are a cell structure that make protein. Protein is needed for many cell functions such as repairing damage or directing chemical processes. Ribosomes can be found floating within the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Nature has evolved an effective and elegant way of preventing drug binding to the ribosome by simply adding methyl groups to the ribosomal RNA at appropriate sites. Methylation is the only type of RNA modification found to date that provides acquired antibacterial resistance. How the process works is that these modified enzymes or methyltransferases act on ribosomal RNA clustered at or close to the A, P, and E sites, the ribosomal subunit interface, and at other functionally important sites. Now that the bacteria's important functional rRNA sites the antibiotic needs to bind to are blocked by methyl groups, the antibiotics can no longer destruct the bacteria. Simply put, the bacteria has developed a resistance all because of the enzyme methyltransferase. Where exactly methyltransferase comes from is not known, but a possible explanation is that the antibiotic resistance determinants evolved from other methyltransferases acting on rRNA performing so-called housekeeping modifications in order to prevent resistance. Do not take any antibiotic for a viral infection like a cold or the flu, or save any from a previous infection. Take an antibiotic exactly as a healthcare provider tells you.
For information, visit the PDB website.